Hello, everybody, and welcome. This is Sarah Vitasic with Joel's Vision Ministries and Kidman Connect. Thank you so much for purchasing my prayer Bible kit. I wanted to give you some quick video instruction on how to put your pages in. You should have received a packet of these Names of God inserts. They will have rounded corners, so the opposite side, the left side, is the one that you want to put in. And so what we're going to do is use this glue that I've included. You can choose wherever you want to put these into your Bible. You can choose one of the verses listed, or you can put them wherever you'd like. There's also a place for notes on the back so that you can add to the verses that these are mostly the verses included that have this original name in Hebrew or Greek. However, if you want to add others that show you the different attributes of what God is to you, you can add those on the back as well. So we're going to go ahead and do one of these. I have already put some in here, and so I wanted to share those with you and how to get them in here easily. You want to make sure that you open your Bible all the way so that you can get into the binding. And what you're going to do is, using your glue stick, you're going to just get it well saturated on the very edge of the paper that you have, the insert you're going to add in. You don't want to go on this side or on this side, just right on the thin edge of the paper. And if there's any major lumps, you want to kind of wipe those off so those aren't in there. And then, holding the Bible open so you can get right inside there, you want to put it right down inside the binding. So push it down in there as much as you can. Check for any major glue lumps that might be on either side. You can use something thin to get down in there and make sure that it's not going to be sticking to your pages. And then close your Bible and push the binding down like this. You can leave it set for a while. You can do a bunch of them at once and then leave it closed with something heavy on top. And so that's how you can do it that way. The other way that you could do, I'm not going to put this one in because I've already, oh no, here's one I haven't finished. You can use some washi tape, and there is plenty of space right here or on the edge to add that to your Bible. So I'm just going to show you without actually doing it because I'm not going to use washi tape on mine, but you can put it along the entire piece if you want, however you want to do that, and just stick that right down in here, and that will actually give you still room to see, and it will be stuck that way if you don't want to use the glue. So that's how you can put your inserts into the Bible, and I hope that helps. We'll see you again.